Question of the day. What is the goal in being a plumber? What's the ultimate goal? Come on.
Make money.
And?
Be a god.
And?
Make money.
And? Be your own boss. I'm going to supply the path of how it can be done in New Jersey. Doing it for these two guys. What's so funny now? You're a licensed plumber already? Good morning, plumbers.
Can I do it again?
What? Go ahead, the floor is yours.
Good morning, plumbers. I said I knew we'd do the introduction again.
This is going to be a different one about how to become a master plumber in New Jersey. Would you like to answer the question? You want me to do it for you, since I did all the fact-finding information?
It's all you, Sherlock.
Sherlock! And for today's adventure, we're going to wait to hear from CB2. And the floor is yours, CB2. Go ahead.
Back to CB1.
Back to CB1. And for today's adventure, we're going to let Angelo have the floor.
10 o'clock's the worst time to get shad.
I'm high energy right now. In the comments below, if you'd like to talk to these guys, ask them any questions, any opinions on how they feel about working for me. And also down below, we're going to have the links, all the requirements for an apprentice plumber in the state of New Jersey. Would anybody like to add anything? CB2. Besides sitting there smiling.
I'm good.
You're good. CB2 and Angelo are done for the day, and I want to follow up on this application or this process for qualifications for becoming an apprentice in New Jersey, a journeyman in New Jersey, all the qualifications to enable you to take the state test to become a licensed plumber in the state of New Jersey. And right out the gate, I went to New Jersey Consumer Affairs. I went to their State Board of Examiners for Master Plumbers, and they have all sorts of links on here. There's an application process overview, and this is like 15 page, actually it's 19 pages long, and it goes through and tells you everything you need to become a licensed plumber in New Jersey. And the first step in that process is you have to have 4 years of apprenticeship school by a qualified school in the state of New Jersey. For all this stuff I talk about, I'm going to have all the links. I'm going to have the links for the application process overview, 15 pages long. I'm going to have the application to register as an apprentice plumber in the state of New Jersey. That link, 4-year program, qualified school. I'm also going to have the link for a journeyman plumber, which you have to have 1 year of 1,200 hours working for someone after your 4-year apprenticeship. Then that will qualify you to take the big ticket item to become a licensed plumber in the state of New Jersey. And all these links will be in my description below. Check them out. If you follow the steps by the state of New Jersey and start now, you'll save a lot of time. And on page 6 of the overview, it's pretty funny, and it's the truth. When should I begin the application process? Start early. Right now will be a good time, and that's what we're doing. So my plan is for these guys to both go to school, both become journeymen, and both become licensed plumbers. Now, you don't have to be in business for yourself. Like, you can actually use that license to go all kinds of directions. Casinos, just working for somebody, working for the union, whatever you want to do, but you're a licensed plumber. That's a big deal, as you plumbers all well know. And again, you don't even have to go to apprenticeship school, but you actually want to be qualified to take the test if you want to. So don't waste no time. Just start thinking you know what you're doing, or better yet, listen to the word on the street. You actually want to go to your state's website, read the qualifications you need, and print it out. My kids are both going to get this. The process has already begun for me doing all this research. And they think it's funny, and they actually make me laugh because, anyway, whatever. CB2, I wish they were sitting here because they'd be laughing at me. So that is the plan. I mean, to become an apprentice in your state, in your local area, the thing you want to do is this. Have the hunger to work. You can go ask any plumber, look up plumbers, you see them on the street, say, hey man, I want to learn a trade. And someone's out there, if you want to work, they will hire you. Be dedicated to your job, have a driver's license, all that good stuff. Even if you don't have a driver's license, have a plan to get your driver's license back, because that's key. And again, if you want to work, there's work out there, and just learning a trade is it's awesome. So, and again, all the links will be down below. Application process overview, which goes through all the steps to become a licensed plumber. So that will also cover registration to become an apprenticeship program, registration for a journeyman program, and again, application to take the state test. And also in that application, in the process, you can also go in a different direction. Medical gas piping instructors, become an instructor, a brazier, and an installer. So there's all kinds of stuff you can do. It's a long journey, but you got to get started someday. So you might as well get started today. Thank you, and good luck all you plumbers out there.